Okay, number 7, let's just go to the key. We've been working on some of these problems. They're tedious and in some respects mind-numbing, especially with the arithmetic. But, and again, I'm looking at the key. We've been doing this for a while now. Descartes rule of signs, plus, minus, minus. By the way, this is a fourth degree polynomial. Leading coefficient is positive. We're expecting something like this. It's the middle part that I'm a little bit leery about. And how many sign changes get there? 1, 2, 3. So S equals 3. Let me show you where this is written. I got this part written down. The plus, minus. I said S is 3. Right? What does that mean? The P could be 1 or 3. All right? So, what I do is I basically, sign analysis. F of 0 below the 0. F of 1 below the 0. Whoops, sorry about that. I got to get my pen back. F of 2 is below 0. F of 3 is below 0. F of 4 is above 0. Now, again, kind of looking at it, realize that's when things are really changing. So let me put out what I mean by that. So at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, general idea. At 0, it's negative. At 1, it's negative. At 2, it's negative. At 3, it's negative. I'm not saying the size of the negative number, but at 4, the thing pops back up. So what do I know about this thing? I know it's got to go through there. All right? Now, what did my Descartes rule of signs say? Well, I got this possibility over here. Before I go into that, I want to point out, once you go beyond the 4, though, and you're analyzing this thing over here, it's always going to remain positive. Always. It's going to shoot straight up. All right? So what I know about over here, there could be 1 root there, or there could be 3 roots. Let me see if that's what they asked me to do. At least 1 between 3 and 4. We did that. We have at least 1. It could be 1 or 3. All right, let's do the rotated version of it. I don't think I did that yet. Let me get my eraser out. The first part's been covered. Let's do the second part. I'm going to do Descartes rule of sign again. Plus, minus. Well, I only get 1 sign change. So what does that say? Remember, this gives me what P is. P could be 1. That's the only possibility. So I have 1 root. 1 negative root. All right? So what am I going to do over here? Analysis. And it's pretty simple to do, by the way. So at 0, remember it's negative. I want to tell you what we're analyzing. We're analyzing this over here. Wow. Minus 1. Whoops, sorry about that. Minus 1. What's the value of that at minus 1? Let's plug it in. Pretty easy to do. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 minus 4. Clearly positive. What do I now know? That's where the root is, somewhere between minus 1 and 0. And there's only 1 root. No need to look for other ones. All right, so we've shown, at least I believe we've shown what they're asked us to show. Yep, has a root between that. All right, let's look at the picture. And again, I want to point out in the picture what we're looking for. We're looking for the 1 negative root right over here. And remember, we said there was a root between, let me just remind you what we said it was between. Maybe I erased that. Oh, 3 and 4. I did say that. Right over here. All right, 3 and 4. All right. Now, what's nice about it in a picture, it kind of illustrates exactly what's going on. Okay? Thank you. Oh, before I meant to go, I mentioned my name is Ron Bannon. Email address, Bannon. I know I'm going through this pretty quickly, by the way. Again, this strategy is we basically spend more time on the first few problems and then talk less and less about the other problems in the set. Thank you.